Removing shutters for offsite painting gives a more uniform finish, but adds time and labor, so homeowners often ask whether to remove shutters or paint them in place during exterior house painting. When you remove shutters and paint them in a shop, you get full access to all surfaces, which allows uniform coverage and consistent drying conditions. So sand lightly with 180 to 220 grit, clean with a degreaser, and apply a bonding primer before 2 thin top coats for best durability. For metal shutter hardware, use a rust inhibitive primer and scuff the metal with a nylon pad to promote adhesion, and always allow recommended flash times between coats to avoid runs. Label each shutter and keep its mounting hardware organized using a simple numbered system so reinstallation goes quickly and each shutter returns to its original position. If you prefer to paint shutters in place, mask carefully along the jamb and use an angled sash brush to hand cut edges for tight coverage without spraying onto siding. Reinstall with new corrosion-resistant fasteners to prevent future sticking and check alignment before final tightening to avoid binder marks. After reinstall, inspect for scuff marks from handling and touch up using a small artist brush for invisible repairs. Common mistakes include removing shutters without labeling, which leads to misaligned reinstallation. So mark each shutter and its location before removal and store hardware in labeled bags to ensure correct placement. Another issue is failing to treat metal hardware, which results in premature rust, so apply a rust inhibitive primer and use corrosion-resistant fasteners during reinstallation. A third frequent problem is overbrushing or heavy buildup on edges when painting in place, which causes drips and uneven finish. So use thin controlled coats, maintain a wet edge, and feather brush strokes outward for smooth transitions. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around exterior painting logistics and shutter options with a discussion community where we and our members share real-world experiences and recommendations. We help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work through listings and community referrals.